pranams to Hemamali ji on behalf of Adhyatma Yoga and Advaita Academy. We see a Pratyaksha Andal in her in front of us, who is going to bring to us the path of Andal. Over to you, Hemamali ji. Namaste.
Nila Tungastana Giridadi Sukta Mukotya Krishnam Paratyam Swam Shruti Sadasira Sitta Bhaktya Bayanti Soshistayam Srajini Kalitam Ya Balatkritya Bhungde Godadasyai Nama Idam Bhuya Evastu Bhuya. Namaste. Happy Sri Jayanti to all. The Alvars, 12 famous Vaishnava saints, are amsam, aspect, feature, or part of the Lord Sriman Narayana, like his disc, conch, mace, sword, and so on. Among the Alvars, Nammalvar is incarnate of Vishwaksena, the Lord's army chief. So Nammalvar is called Avayavi, the whole, and the rest, except of course our Andal, are called Avayams, parts. The Alvars incarnated in various parts of South India to spread bhakti. They gave us 4,000 Tamil hymns praising the Lord of 108 Divya Desams. They are called Nalayira Divya Prabandham. Andal is also known as Kodai, Goda, Nachiyar. She is none other than the incarnate of Bhudevi. She is the only female saint among the Alvars, as a result of which she could unite with the Lord easily. Other Alvars like Nammalvar and Tirumangai Alvar had to imagine themselves to be Parangusanayaki and Parakalanayaki, their feminine forms, in their quest to unite with the Lord. Andal was found in the Tulasi garden of Periyalvar in the month of Adi on Puram star. Periyalvar brought up Andal, nurturing her love for the Lord. Periyalvar's maiden name was Vishnu Chittar. The Pandyan king conferred him the title Pattar Piran when Periyalvar proved to the world the Paratattvam, that the absolute reality or the supreme reality is Sriman Narayana. Vishnu Chittar was honored and taken on a procession seated on an elephant. The Lord wanted to see the felicitation of his Bhakta. So he promptly arrived at the scene on Garuda with his consort. Seeing the Lord in the sky, Vishnu Chittar was so ecstatic. Using the bells of the elephant, he started putting thalam and sang Tirupallandu, 12 verses of benedictions, praising the Lord, his consort, the conch, and the disc. Pallandu, pallandu, pallayirattandu, palakodi noorayiram, mallandu tintol manivanna, un chevvadi chevvi tirukkaakku, அழிமோடும் நின்னோடும் பிரிவின்று ஆயிரம் பல்லாண்டு வடிவாய் நின் வலமார்பினில் வாழ்கின்ற மங்கையும் பல்லாண்டு வடிவார் ஜோதி வலத்துறையும் சுடராழியும் பல்லாண்டு படைப்போர்க்கு முழங்கும் அப்பாஞ்ச சன்னியமும் பல்லாண்டே. Normally, human beings earn to be blessed by the Lord, but here Vishnu Chittar is blessing the Lord. Seeing the Lord in his supreme splendor, to ward off the evil eye like any mother would do, he started blessing the Lord with long life. For this reason, he came to be known as Periyalvar. He's put on the highest pedestal. Even today, in all the temples, to the beautiful Archamurti, we do the Arati to ward off the evil eye. Periyalvar became father-in-law to the Lord when Goda married the Lord himself. Let's see that later. Andal's avatar has to be seen in the context of Varaha avatar. It has to be seen with reference to Varaha avatar. Which is the mega or huge avatar? We may think it is Trivikraman. When little Vamana grew up, took a cosmic form, stretching his foot to measure the whole earth. This earth was struck like a dirt to the Varaha Bhagavan when the Lord took the avatar of a wild boar to rescue Bhuma Devi from the demon Hiranyaksha. If you visit the Bhuvaraha Swami temple at Gugankere, which is close to our Bangalore and Mysore, you will appreciate the beauty of this avatar. So the greatest, huge, mega avatar is Varaha avatar. Nammalvar in his Tiruvai says, Kola Varaga Mundrai, Nilam Kottide Konda Vendai. Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam salutes Varaha avatar. Maha Varaho Govindo. In Varaha Sloka, the Lord gives the essence of Vedas. In response to the request of Bhuma Devi for a Lagu Upayam to help the suffering samsaris, the Lord says, in quotes, the man whose mind is in a state of equilibrium and who contemplates on me in his dying moments, then I think of him and lead him to my abode. The Lord gives the three means or ways to get this state of equanimity. They are Nama Sankirtanam, Archana, Atma Samarpanam. I repeat, Nama Sankirtanam, Archana, Atma Samarpanam. And Bhudevi keeps all these three ways safe and presents it when she takes the Andal avatar. Her Tirupavai of 30 Pasurams hymns and Nachiyar Tirumoli of 173 Pasurams are very simple and even a common man can understand the Paratattva. It is very interesting to note that Andal makes a direct reference to this instance of Varaha avatar in a Nachiyar Tirumoli. Pasi Turthu Kidanda Parmagattu Panduru Naal Masudambil Neervara Manamila Pandiyam Desudiya Deva Thiruvaranga Chelvanar Pesi Iruppanangal Pekavum Perave. We go back to the story of Andal's father. Periyalvar was doing a Nitya Kaingaryam of offering fresh garlands to the presiding deity of Srivilliputturu, Vadapatra Sai. In his Tirupallandu, Periyalvar says, Uduttu Kalainda Nin Veedaka Aadai Uduttu Kalattadundu Toduttu Thulai Malar Chudi Kalaindana Chudini Tondargalum. As devotees, we offer everything at the lotus feet of the Lord, then consume what has been partaken by the Lord. In Andal's case, it is the reverse. Andal would decorate herself with a beautiful garlands strung by her father, admire at her reflection in the well, fully convinced that she was the right match for the Lord. Periyalvar, not knowing this, would take the garlands to the temple, offer it to Vadapatra Sai. One day, by sheer chance, Periyalvar happened to see what Andal was doing and he was aghast. However, the Lord appeared in his dream and told him that it gave him immense pleasure to wear the garlands that were owned by Andal. Then Periyalvar realized that Andal was none other than the Lord's beloved consort. That is why Andal got the title Chudi Kodutha Chudarmani, Chudarkodi, the shining creeper who pleased the Lord with her pumale, garlands, and pamale, the hymns. In the end, the Lord ordered Periyalvar to bring Andal to Srirangam, where he would accept her. When Andal and her retinue reached Srirangam and Andal entered the Garbhagraham, she merged with the Lord. Periyalvar thus became the father-in-law to the Lord. What an honor.